Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to recover a disabled payment method or a payment method which needs to be verified on Meta, Facebook or Instagram, okay? So you could see in this case whereby we fix this ad account that had a payment method being disabled because it was not verified. So we're able to get it back and active again. All right, so we're going to show you how you could do this for your ad account on Facebook. All right, so you could see that after we finished working on this account, it was successfully activated. Okay, so let's jump into it right now. All right, so there are different methods you could use in doing this. Firstly, after going through account quality, you could simply click on the contact support button. Then you follow the on-screen instruction in order for you to appeal to the payment team. Next, or you could also scroll down to the bottom, then you click on the get help button. So once you click on the get help button, you're going to see a form that you're going to fill and submit. Now, I'm going to show you another method on how you could access this form. So let's open a new web browser. Kindly visit the description section of this video. We're going to paste the link to this form in the description. So do ensure that you visit the description section to access this link. Okay, so once you open up the link, you're going to see an option to select the particular ad account that was disabled. Then you request a review. It's that easy. Next, you're going to provide relevant information about the issue you're facing. So maybe you traveled out of the country, so you need to let Facebook know or the payment team so that they're going to review and activate your ad account. Okay, so for this, I just wrote something simple. Please help me activate my prepaid ad account. Okay, but for yours, you could go as descriptive as possible. Next, you have to attach your card details. So ensure that your card displays the last 4 digits of your card. Then you could also input your visa document just in case you relocated or you visited. Then you click on the request review. Okay, so this is it. It's very easy to appeal to the payment team. All right, so you need to wait for it to be submitted. Then you're going to give it some time. Let's say after some days, within 3 days or 3 to 7 days, you should hear from payment team about the status of your application.